This is our new model, our most popular model, XD818 snap button attaching machine, servo motor system. This one can saving your energy up to 90% compared to the direct drive motor. This is our another machine, automatic eyelet punching machine. You can make bag or something this like this. Automatic auto button feeder also here, eyelet feeder also here. You can make any bag, plastic bag, that paper bag, anything you can make here. This is our another machine for making that this kind of button. This is a fabric button, so some factory waste money for fabric button, waste time also. So you can easily make, very simple, you can easily make this button from our this machine. This is cutting this machine for the making that button fabric. You can easily cutting from here. It's very easy. Just push this one. It's very easy. After cut, like this fabric come. So button you can make like this. You put the button here. You can put button here. Then you put the fabric. Then you put the back side. Then just no need hair pedal, no hair. So just you punching like this. Here keep. Then okay, our button is ready. Within short time our button is ready. You see this button. This is our most popular new item in this exhibition. This is that our electric snap button attaching machine. This is also 3-head. First time we do this one in all over the world. That electric type 3-head button attaching machine. For this machine you can save your time, work and machine. The production capacity is most high. You can save your machine and worker. This is our another machine, XD3808, that pneumatic one, pneumatic servo button attaching machine. You can use this machine also. This is also same function. This two machine is same function. This is electric, this is pneumatic. This is our single head snap button attaching machine, pneumatic one. Model is 2808S XD. This is also our most production, and more thing is the safety. For safety use this machine. This is our most popular one. This is our new model, XD2808L. L means this one very long, and this one full body is SS, full body, solid body. This one SS. This have display. So this is, you can also use that jacket or big big size fabric have, cannot put inside. So this one you can easily use this machine. This is our most popular in this CISMA and new innovation. This one. This is our T9 machine. The model is T9XD, Xinding brand. So you can make eyelet like this. Eyelet you can make from this machine, or any kind of thing you can make easily, like plastic. Who have the plastic factory, helmet factory, they can use this machine also. This is our new machine. This also have one light and safety guard, 100% safe. This one. This is our most safety machine. Also this one also snap button attaching machine. This is also pneumatic one. This model is XD2808 Ace means this height. So you can for rabbit, some factory use rabbit when punching the rabbit and they're facing some problem. So this machine is more perfect for the rabbit making. So this is our another new machine. This is an auto level printing machine. You can say auto level printing machine. This is PLC system, touch panel. So this is our new innovation also. It's a very popular. You can make like this kind of printing, label in the T-shirt or somewhere. You can print this one. This is very easy. This label also very easy. This quality full label you can use this machine like this. It's very easy and comfortable. You can easily make like this one. Just already print. Done. So any kind of fabric you can use this kind of thing. So no damage on fabric. It's a very important thing. This is our new machine. This is double head. Double head together you can use this machine, heat press machine like this. Here have auto timer, and you can temperature also you can set here. Here is showing this compressor line, compressor you can see. Then after finish this timer, it's automatically done. Automatically upside come. like this. So this is our auto level picker. This is another machine. This is also PLC system, so you can control by PLC, then automatic comes this one like this. So if you start this like this, then it will come. Like manual, we can select manual, then we can use this machine also. This is our automatic button attaching machine, so it can punch fast, then you can use this machine easily, like fast punch. This is pneumatic one, you can see punch and attaching together. It's very easy and comfortable than our new model. So most popular this model also. This model, our new machine XD2866, this model you can use this one. This is also plastic, another electric button attaching machine like this. You can easily use this one. It's very easy to use like this, very easy. This is automatic one, no need to keep in touch. And this is our tools in CISMA, Taizu, Xinding Technological Limited, Xinding and Takumi. We are sell all over the world, so you can come our factory also in China, all over the world. If you need any machine, you can call us.